Now back home, fisher folk in St. Mary began their preparation this morning ahead of the passage of the tropical storm. As you'll hear in this report from Sandy Williams, the Met Service has warned of dangerous sea conditions.
And the weather seemingly perfect for a day of fishing. But still, these fishermen at the Oracabessa Bay Fish Sanctuary are taking no chances. When we visited the area, they were seen relocating all vessels, fish pots, and other fishing gear on the beach to safer ground.
Well, we are trying to be as best prepared as possible, you know. We'll go pick up pack them out at sea, you know, and then come put them on land and then drop the boat and put a land to, you know what I mean? Yeah, because we don't really want to left nothing in the water, because you know, so when the sea start kick up, you know, it can be problematic.
It's always have to be more prepared than necessary, because waste make waste, and you cannot do any work in a hurricane. It's very serious and very dangerous. There's debris blowing all over the place, and then you get injured and you can't get to the hospital in time. Might bleed out if you don't have a first aid medical around. So it's important to do whatever you can do before the weather changes.
However, one fisherman remains optimistic that Tropical Storm Elsa will not make landfall in the island.
When you look at the corner, it has stretched across from in the east to go across Cuba. We don't have no way in the Cuba. You know, it's going to run alongside where I go up. So.
In its latest bulletin, the Met Service warned of dangerous sea conditions. To this end, all small craft operators have been advised to remain in safe harbor until warning messages have been lifted. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.